Welcome along to another edition of BalloonTube with myself, Graham Lee, and this is a little advert really, just to tell you a couple of things. I do run the balloon forum, which is balloonchat.co.uk. Over there's over 120 step-by-step tutorials if you'd like to have a look. We've got all the tutorials up on BalloonTube to have a look at. And if you are in the UK and would like to purchase some balloons, we do have an online shop, which is balloonartwholesale.co.uk. Hopefully that'll be coming up here, and hopefully Balloon Chat's come up as well for the details there. And if you would like to support us a little bit, that would be very much appreciated to keep the BalloonTube running, and also to keep Balloon Chat online as well. And so I've signed up to buy me a coffee /myballoonart. And there you can, if you wish, buy us a coffee or two, and it helps us to keep the tutorials going. So that's the end of the advert, and here we go with the main feature for this month. So it's bye from me, cheerio, here comes the main feature. Quick road, get out of it, bye. Welcome along to another edition of BalloonTube, and today we're going to do the crown. Alright, here it is, give it a little 12 for you. You can either do this, I've done it in a 160 clear, you can use a 160 silver, you could use a 260 chrome as well, so it's entirely what your personal preference is really, isn't it? So anyway, to do the, I used a chrome to do the crown. Quite tricky, that chrome to do the crown, and I pre-stretch it, not by doing this. I get my finger and thumb and pull that, and that will make the balloon uninflated a good 4 fingers longer, and then once you've inflated the balloon you'll get an extra 4 to 6 fingers. Anyway, what you'd have to do is inflate your 260 and leave about 10 fingers uninflated. You do leave quite a lot uninflated. We need a 2-finger bubble, a 1-finger pinch twist. So this will go here, twist that around, and we do another 2-finger bubble, another 1-finger pinch twist, and hold those together. When you twist this balloon, if you pull it this way, it just takes the pressure off, and then the knot goes around that pinch twist there. So that gives us one side of the crown. Right, and if you could hit the like, subscribe button, that would be very much appreciated. And tell a few friends about BalloonTube. Alright, thanks very much. Hang on, I don't know which I was doing the knot there, just putting it back in place. So now you need a 2-finger bubble, and this pinch twist is going to be the centre of the crown. I'm going to do that a little bit bigger. So I'm going to do a 1.5-finger pinch twist. Alright, and again, pull that away. Alright, then you want another 2-finger bubble, and a 1-finger pinch twist. There you go, that's a little bit big, doesn't it? A little bit smaller. There you go. Pull that away. Now we're going up the other side of the crown. So this is going to be the our crown sitting like this. So we're going to come up the other side on here. 2-finger bubble and a 1-finger pinch twist. Now the next 2-finger bubble is going down to the centre of your of the crown, to the larger pinch twist. All right, so you do a 2-finger bubble. Go down to this larger one, and then you want another 2-finger bubble, which is going to come up to the side where you've got the two-finger bubbles there. Alright, so you want another 2-finger bubble there, and that goes on to that pinch twist, and like so. So it's sitting like this. Now we're going to do the slightly the top section here, which is here, coming around there. Alright. Now again, it's another 2-finger bubble, 1-finger pinch twist. There we go. Another 2-finger bubble, and that goes round the pinch twist on this side here. That's only got the 1 2-finger bubble at the side at the moment, because we've just got to put the other one. See, this side's got the 2. All right, so that goes into there, and then another 2-finger pinch twist. Now that can be the end of your crown. Alright, so that will be it there, but you can, if you wanted, have double at the bottom here, so you could do a 2-finger bubble there and a 2-finger bubble there. I've done that on this one. I'm not going to do it on this one, so you can just see the difference, that's all. Alright, so deflate this in your favourite method. Don't use your teeth. Oh dear, I've used the teeth, sorry about that. And I do have my scissors that I'm going to just make sure that's nicely secured around there. And I'll, let me cut that excess off. Right. Now, I have in the past put the purple chrome in here as the jewel looks quite nice, but I've just got a 260 red for the moment. So I inflate this to a 4-finger bubble, split that into 2, and then just tie that up. There you go. And get rid of all the excess, because I just push that in the centre. You can tie it onto the pinch twist if you like, but I think that gives you a slightly different shape and a look. So just get this and push it through this centre section there. There we go. Sort your pinch twists out. And I like the 2 bubbles at the side, because this centre section looks like it's I'm not quite sure inverted what the word is, but I just like the look of it by having the double bubbles at the side there, you see. And now just either put, over here, a 160, or if you're preferred a 260 chrome in the silver you could put on, or you could actually put a, if you wanted the band to be a bit thinner, you could put a 160 inside a 260 and inflate the 160 so that you'll get a chrome slightly smaller. So just measure that around the person's head, tie that on there, get rid of that, and let me just cut that as well. I'm going to be semi-professional today. There you go, semi-professional with only. Right, there you go, and there, there's your little crown. Oh, pull that out so it looks right, and there's your crown. Alright, so that's it. So thanks for watching. You thought I'd gone, but I'm back, you see, because I thought I'd show you the other crown as well. Alright, so here it is. This is the other one, slight variation. So you need your 260 chrome, and again leave a good 10 fingers uninflated, and we're going to do a square. So I'll do a 2-finger bubble, then a 1-finger pinch twist, then another squeeze the air, another 2-finger bubble, 1-finger pinch twist, and just gently pull that away as you're twisting it. Takes the friction away from the balloon. Then another 2-finger bubble and a 1-finger pinch twist. Now there is a change coming up. So here we go, another 2-finger bubble, and I'll do a 1.5-finger pinch twist. There you go, and that's going to be the centre of the crown at the bottom. All right. And then you tie the knot around that big pinch twist. Do it nice and tight, and up it through. There we go. So we should end up looking a little bit like this. Right. Now you need 2 2-finger bubbles. Squeeze the air. 2 2-finger bubbles, and then a 1-finger pinch twist again. So 2 fingers, 1-finger pinch twist. Alright, and then we're going to do a 2-finger bubble, and that's going to go up to this side section here, because this is the centre of the crown here, so this is going to go onto this section there. Alright, and then the centre of the crown, right, like this bit, this bubble here and this one here are doubled up. We double them up, so so do a 2-finger bubble down to the big pinch twist in the centre, 2-finger bubble, and that down there, and then this is the centre of the crown, so we need another 2-finger bubble up to this pinch twist here. Alright, 2-finger bubble around that pinch twist there, and then you've just got to match it up. Oh, there you go, on the other side, so you need a 2-finger bubble, pinch twist, and 2 2-finger bubbles. And you have to try and get them about the same size. That looks quite nice then, I think. You don't want a wonky crown, do you? Right, there we go. And then you need 2 2-finger bubbles to finish up there. So that's 1. So you can get these about the same size. There we go. So this twist will go around the large pinch twist there. Just go around that. Deflate that in your favourite method. And then I'll try and tie these up together. Cut off the excess. Try and keep it nice and neat and tidy. There we go. Right, so your crown should be looking a little bit like this. Right? And it does, because of the larger pinch twist is here, you probably can't see, but the crown is bowing, so when it goes on someone's, oh well, there you go, little crown, it does bow round, so that's why I quite like that. And I originally started, I did put a pinch twist at the back, but I think it looks nicer because it fits around someone's head nicer. You could just put a 160 on here and have that as a crown, but I like to just fill in these little sections here. And I've gone for spring green on this one. And what we're going to do, we twist that round the centre of the large pinch twist, and then we do two 2-finger bubbles. Alright, that's two 2-finger bubbles. That goes around the large pinch twist again. And you do that, push this into place. That then goes in this section here. So just push that through there, just gently. So it's all nice and cosy. Here we go. So it ends up like this. I have put the 2-finger bubbles around the pinch twist, but it pulls it all in. I don't like the look of it, so I prefer it this way. Right, then you've got to do two 2-finger bubbles. There we are. That goes around that large pinch twist again. And then that goes into the centre section of the crown. Oh, reduce that all the way down. There we go. Right. And then just get that centre section and gently push that through this section here. There we go. Look at that. And that one, that does feel a bit cosy, that one. Yeah. Right. That's that one. That's now looking like this, and then you've got to do the same for the other side. So you want to squeeze the air, make it a little bit softer. You want two 2-finger bubbles, and then tie that round a pinch twist, and deflate that in your favourite method. Right, okay. I'm just going to tie it up for safety. And then just push that in this side here. And again, take your time, just do it nice and gently. Okay. Just make sure that it's looking similar-ish. Right, there. And cut off that all that excess at the back. Make it nice and tidy. Right, there we go. Just moving the jewels around a little bit just so that they sort of match up for you. There. So it ends up like this. And again, you can put a 160 clear around for the headband section. Well, the other thing to do is, I've got a couple of balloons here to show you. If you want to put a 160 inside a 260, alright, you can just get a little piece of a coat hanger, or sometimes you can actually just push it in. It will go in, and once it gets to here, you have to put a little bit of air. And oh, will it still be in shot? And if you put a puff of air in the 160, it will actually push in and go down. You know, you don't need it all the way because it's only part of the balloon, so you can cut that off and then just inflate the 160. And here's one I prepared earlier. Right, so it's a little bit thinner than your 260, isn't it? You know, if you want it to look a little bit more dainty, and then just tie that round one side. There we go. Measure around the person's head, make sure it's going to fit them. Tie it around the other. And make sure that is nice and secure so it doesn't come undone. There we go. And there's your crown number 2. Alright. And what we do, let's hold up crown number 1, which was one I made. Here we go, this is it. Right. So there's the 2 crowns. I hope they were of use. And thanks for watching BalloonTube, and we might see you again sometime. So it's bye from the crowns, and it's bye from me. Cheers!